Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Tile Tool Tuesday. In this quick 5-minute review, we have a polishing pad kit to review for you. This is an inexpensive kit. It is a good kit. This attaches to two things. It attaches to a grinder, or you can attach it to a variable speed polisher. It's used to quickly clean up cut edges of your porcelain, your ceramic, your stone, as well as if you cut and fabricate your quartz for your shower niche, shower bench, shower curb. Using this kit with the variable speed polisher can allow you to achieve a beveled edge as well as a shiny, polished factory look before you install. So really quick, let's show you what this kit includes, and then we'll go outside and make some cuts and show you how quickly and easily, when it's attached to a grinder, it can clean up your cut edges. Let's unbox. So here it is by Dia-Tool. As usual, links will be right down there in the video description. This kit runs around, I think, 23 or 24 bucks. It includes pads from 50 all the way up to 3,000. Now we typically use 50 to 100 when we clean up our cut edges, but again, 50, 100, 200, 400, 800, 1,500, as well as 3,000. We use these typically with wet polishing when we want to achieve a shiny, glossy, engineered quartz edge after we make a cut. But when we clean up cut edges, we use a 50 or a 100. So we also have the backer here, the backing. It is made out of rubber, which is a lot better than the cheaper plastic backers. Of course, you install via Velcro here. And then with your 5/8 thread, you thread this onto your grinder or to your variable speed polisher. Let's show you. Let's go outside, make some cuts, and polish some cut edges. Now this is a fairly clean cut, but it did chip just a little bit. So this edge needs to be cleaned up so that it looks like this edge here. So here we have quartz. You would use a variable speed polisher with these discs, with these polishing pads, so that you can make this cut edge look like this factory edge with the bevel as well as the finish. But I'll show you how quickly it'll bevel this edge here. Well, there it is. Fantastic set, inexpensive, great if you do a lot of scribing with tile, your porcelain and your river rocks, or if you want to clean up your mitered edges, clean up your cut edges, or polish out your stone or quartz for niche sills, shower curbs, and shower benches. Thanks for watching, guys. As usual, don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, tap that little bell icon down there so that you get notified for the next video, and I'll see you on the next one.